First time wearing these Kiziks. Very excited about it. I'm like going really slow so I can show you. You want to know who won't wear their Kiziks? Aunt Linda will not wear her Kiziks. And when she watches this and hears her name and hears, she's going to be like, haha, sorry, Bonnie. She knows that I want her to wear them, but she won't. Why? I have no idea. My mother-in-law loves them. Jared just got a pair, which I'm like thrilled for him so that it's easier with his hip to put them on. But you know, Aunt Linda, no, she won't wear it. She won't do it. I'm thrilled about it though. I have a discount code. If you guys need a pair for health reasons or just want them because they're cute, and see, I like them because I'm lazy and I don't want to bend over and I just like slip them right on. Plus these ones are so freaking cute. Sounds like progress down there. They're taking the forms off. I did a story on Instagram and I said, you know, this is Joel's shop. And so many people were like, what on earth is a shop? Like, what is that? So when Joel was growing up, he always went to his friend's dad's detached garage, and they always called it a shop because that's where they, you know, did all their like welding and working on cars and things. And so essentially it's just a detached garage for Joel to do all of his things. It's where we're going to store the RV, those kind of things. So that's our garage. That's the detached garage that Joel calls the shop. So it's kind of fun to look down at the house and see that I've got a front door. I mean, front door-ish. If you didn't see that vlog, I'll put it in the description below of us getting our front door in. I thought that was very, very fun, very exciting. So I'll have that linked for you. Oh, what a fun surprise. I did not know they were coming to finish that roof up there. I actually pulled my phone out to call them and see if they were, when they were coming. And they've got them up. That is so nice to have done. We have a very important truck that just showed up, which is the reason I am here this morning. And we're not ready. This is all supposed to be cleared out. We gotta hurry. Before I run downstairs, I want to show you. So every single door in the whole house is hung, which that's incredible that we got it done in less than a week. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I just feel like doors take a little bit longer, and maybe it's just, that's my experience in the past, but we have all of our doors hung. So grateful that those are in, and they are actually starting the trim out of closets. So this is a pantry, not a pantry. I don't know why I keep calling it a pantry, but this is, it's a linen closet. That's the word I'm looking for. This is a linen closet.
Dad, where's Cody and Dad?
In Joel and I's bathroom, going into our bedroom, these are the doors that I have selected. There's a film over the glass. It's fogged glass underneath, but there's a film over it for the painters. So you can kind of get an idea, but like it'll be a lot different once they're finished. And I did the same door on my closet and on Joel's closet. And then I also have that same door for our pantry downstairs, but those ones are pocket doors, and so they're still in the garage. And then the rest of the doors are just like this one. A little closer up of the doors, just a 2-panel door. I didn't want anything too crazy, but I felt like that was really, you know, it's a pretty option. Got our hardwood, the whole main floor and the stairs and the landing right here is going to be all hardwood floor. So this is
4 1/4 by 3/4 inch thick solid white oak.
Yep, that's what it is. I told Joel he had to say it because I just wouldn't be able to. So this is a part of it. They're going to bring the rest of the pile in over here.
I got a contractor calling.
I see piles, so I know the kids have been in here. Oh, I see another pile. How's it going?
Good.
Who stacked all the wood like that?
I did.
You did?
I took a bunch of trips downstairs. I'll do that last.
Do you know if the long piece is garbage?
No, I just found it in here, so I just gotta.
I bet it's garbage. Well, actually, I don't know. And the sheetrock, what the heck? There's just like a big piece of sheetrock sitting there. Interesting. Thank you. Where's the other boys? Are they not helping you?
No, they left.
Well, okay, I'm gonna go find them. This is perfect timing because we've got to leave in 10 minutes and all the wood is in and we have it covered in plastic so that we don't get stuff on it.
Wait, so in 10 minutes, what are we doing?
It's not quite lunchtime. We're gonna go
No.
to a meeting and then we're gonna go to lunch.
Where are we going?
I don't know. You kids were so good during our meeting. Thank you for being so, they sat so quietly for the most part. Kids got eaten alive by bugs. How many bug bites do you have, Bossy?
I have zero clue. Like
No, he has 11 on his face.
Here.
Go ahead, reopen the door.
He has 11 on his face.
That's a lot. You have 14? You have 14?
I don't know how many I have.
50.
Let's see on your cheek right here.
Bunch like on my right here, and then on my ears.
Last stop, we've got to, this is our final signing and approval for our cabinets.
Yeah, that's crazy.
I don't know if it's normal how many times I've actually changed the plans for our cabinets. And now I'm signing, and so I feel a little scared to sign because this is like it. There's no more changes after this.
I'll go sign anywhere. No more changes.
All right, it is the next day, and we've had pink eye in this house. Boston and Lincoln have had pink eye, and so I've been making them sleep in this room. Well, their pink eye seems to have cleared up, so we've got a laundry pile. These are all of the bathroom towels, all of the blankets that the kids sleep with, and their bedding. So I'm washing their bedding. I just got done wiping the handles down in this room, so this room is done. Now we're gonna move on to the next room. Vacuumed it, it's all cleaned out. This was a doozy, but we got the bathroom all the way buttoned up and cleaned up in here. The lights are all off in here because the room is done, and I'm gonna back my way out of it. Sorry, I was stepping on your toes. You okay?
But, so I might get a pocket knife this year since, like, Calvin got one, Cody got one, and Boston got one. And I think Porter got one. Well, maybe not because he already has one. But I might get one. Because,
we'll get my
Calvin
pocket
got
knife.
a red one. Calvin got a red Swiss Army. Cody got, Kershaw. And I hope I get one because, like, everybody's getting one.
That's some wishful thinking. I don't know.
Usually, like, Grandma gets us kids, like, all, like,
Kind of the same thing.
yeah.
Well, we'll
But,
see.
like, Cody got, like, a different one because, like, he's older and, but.
Guess we'll have to find out.
Yeah, I don't know, but like what already happened.
He's gonna get stickers in the mail.
Each age group is getting like a different brand because Cody, he's older than me
And Jackson.
and Jackson, like my little age group and the cousins. So I think every age group gets a different kind. Cody got a Kershaw,
But-
Kate, Jackson, me, Cooper. I don't know if Cooper's had his birthday yet, but have got a Swiss Army. So
And Calvin has gotten a Swiss Army. He got a red Swiss Army. So I think I'm in that age group.
Well, I don't think anyone's getting anything until this room is clean. So let's keep working on it. I'm taking a little break from cleaning, and I am drying out what I think I want for the closets. I'm going to make a card for each closet, and I'm going to tape it in the closet so when Joel gets to it, he doesn't have to call me. He doesn't have to, like, try to remember. I'll just have a little drawing in there, and he'll know exactly what I need him to do in each closet. I think I've gotten all the closets, and I think this is what I like. I'm not going to put a little shelf right there, I don't think, because I kind of like this almost like a dresser space, like the top of a dresser, and these are just shelves. You have to have a space for long items, even if I know the boys aren't going to use them now, but when they come back with their wives and, you know, they've got dresses, or the boys have tall items that they need to put somewhere, maybe not even clothes, but just like toy items or like whatever, there's a tall space in the closet, because I just feel like whenever there isn't one of these spaces, I find myself needing a spot for them. The kids don't love the smaller cubbies, and so they really wanted the longer, wider drawers. So I'm kind of excited about this. You've got the 2 short ones for like shirts or, you know, I don't know, whatever you want to hang. I typically don't like to hang stuff. I really like shelves more than I like hanger space, but anyway. And then like if the boys have decorative things they want to put in here, like, and same with Olivia. I know she wants a big round mirror to go right here to fill up that whole space, and then put things right here in front of it on the shelf. So, and then there's a lot of space up here for them to store stuff up here. So I feel like this is a really good closet layout. Olivia, tape me.
Got you.
Just get me some tape. The first closet, this is the mudroom closet.
We don't want to use duct tape.
Oh, why?
It'll leave a very nasty residue.
Oh, how should I staple this into the closet so it doesn't get...
Go grab Moses' stapler.
Where's it at?
Where's it at?
Right over here by my radio.
Okay, so I officially have this drawn. In the other drawings, I went and I looked in my mom's shelves, and I'm like, oh, on the long shelf, she doesn't have, they have a shelf up at the top that I forgot.
You want that little one at the bottom?
You know, no, I don't think so.
Okay.
I don't think so. My mom has a really cute small shelf at the bottom in her kind of mudroom, and it is a good idea, and I like it. But I don't think I am going to in this closet. So, hey, I really like your boots with your shorts today. Yeah. Joel was debating the look. He wants me to hem his shorts so we can see a little more of his leg.
Well, they get down here and they're in the way, and I don't know, fashionable.
Okay, they're not in the way. They just look cute. Joel, can you? That's actually like so dang cute. It's giving park ranger vibes.
Yeah.
Look like a guy from Jurassic Park.
You're on Park Hoellein. Welcome to National
All right,
Park Hoellein.
staple my. Not the whole pad, just the paper.
The whole pad.
Staple.
You got any more pads? We gotta make more of these.
One per closet. Get her up there. Oh. Feels aggressive. So I have this closet all laid out, Joel. And if I go off of this, and I changed 42 inches high to 45 inches high because there's just plenty of room for it. So if this is my long hanging space right here, it comes out to about here.
Ooh, we're dirty hands.
Hold that steady. We left the other kids and Joel at the house while they're still working. We've got to get Lady caught up on her shots.
Mom, do I have to watch?
No, you do not have to watch.
She has got her like tail in between her legs. She's so nervous.
It's so strange because she knows. Lincoln, what are you doing? Don't put your hand. Move your fingers. See how your fingers are covering the lens? There you go. Now tilt it down so that it's pointing on Lady. Can you see Lady? Okay, there you go. It's interesting because she's got her tail stuck between her legs. Mm-hmm. How does she know? How are you zooming in, Lincoln?
No.
Okay, yes you were. What are you doing?
This is bit.
Will you not zoom in? No.
But it looks good.
Okay. How do you know what's going on? How do you know what's going on?
She'll hear any noise and she'll be like,
She needs a haircut really, really bad.
yeah.
But
Her body's not too bad though.
she needs a haircut.
Mom, can we buy the pug?
Absolutely not.
Why? This one
I
is weird.
can't handle any other dog.
Okay, look. The Chinese crest is weird.
Stay. Sit.
Look at the Chinese.
After working at the property for a while, we went to Summerfest, which is like a little festival in Logan that they have each summer. We came home and Joel was so tired, and so I said, I'm going to go to the grocery store and get all the things we need for a Father's Day dinner. You take a nap. And he was like, yes, that sounds so good. I come home and nope, yard work. Yard work is what he... So, you know. That is huge.
No. I just found it like right over by the trailer and it's ginormous.
Wow. What are you gonna do with that?
Make a wish.
While I obsessed over paint colors,
We're starving and we want to go to Burger Bar.
the kids are starving.
And you're starving.
And now Joel is almost done. I can't even tell you how many times I have been to the paint store. I think I found the, see, but then I see it on camera and I'm like, is it the right one? Is it the right one? Yeah. This has been very difficult, but I think I'm getting somewhere. I think this is the one I'm going with. Oh yeah, see, and looking at this in the camera, like, brings a whole new perspective to me. Oh, Jiminy, I have no idea. The line is a little bit long here at Burger Bar this evening. A small Oreo, a small coconut cream, and then a small